Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account not in the store. Your account is not valid for use in the Argentine store. So guys, here you can see this. If you're also facing this problem while installing apps in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here tap on your profile, scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. So guys, now you have to simply tap on country or region from here. Again wait for some seconds here and tap on change country or region and select your country as United States from here. So guys, search here for United States and tap on agree from here, and from here you have to simply add your payment method from here. So guys, if you don't have any payment method, then tap on none button, and after this add all this information here. So guys, add your billing name here, and then you have to simply add your billing address here. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply add all these details in your device, and after this tap on next button and save this information in your device. So guys, once you give all details here, you have to simply tap on next button and you have to simply save this information in your device. So guys, do this, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.